already know. It's your boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cup full of drink, cup full of drink, cup full of drink. Man. I got a cup full of drink and I'm rolling on that tank and I'm riding to the bank just to pick a new stack up. Go and get an order. See my homeboy who just jumped across the border. He got sacks of marijuana. He gonna do what he wanna. You can catch him on a corner. You can catch him on a corner. I don't give a fuck. I'm the new Richie Potter. I'm just bullshitting boy. So tell me what you wanna. Tell me what it is. Hit me up with your odor. Hit me up with a quota. Hit me up cause I'm bad. Man, I'm that cat from who you want talk about. Man, you gon' talk shit. That's the just walking out. Can't do that cause the bullets gon' hit you and the police come and chalk it out. Your fam gon' make you. Damn, I'm a menace to society. Ain't never no sobriety, so why the hell you try me? I'm a monster, bitch, I'm a monster. I go ahead and put your face in your pasta. Next, Jimmy Hoffa, tell me what's poppin'. Yeah, they call me Casper, that's cause I'm a ghost. Cause I slip up in your crib through the same window that I clipped out of. And I kill you, doubt that. I don't give a shit, homeboy, I don't doubt that. Cause I'm fucking crazy, I don't doubt that. Man, I be out here, man, I be doing shit. Tell me what you heard about, spit the most fluent shit. Yeah, and I'm pretty influential on any instrumental, homeboy. You can't get up on my level, hell nah, cause I'm too high and I'm too fly. Seated up in the booth, right? Truth, tell me what you know about, tell me what you finna do, cause you ain't had a clue, man. I've been doing this, and I'm the truth with this, and I ain't bullshitting when I say that I'm the best, homie. Who you kidding, fool? You ain't finna do this. You ain't finna murder tracks, you ain't finna murder shit. Only thing you murder's this. Bang bang. Up jumped the boogie, said the boogie to the beat, and I had to do pee. Came on my mic, here's a squeegee and mop. Oh, for all the shit I just dropped. Bang. Henny. No. What am I sipping on? They call me Stacks, hop off.